Introducing the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0, a dual-textured toner pad designed for exfoliation, pore care, and smoother skin. Exfoliation and pore refinement. Formulated with 4.5% AHA Lactic Acid and 0.45% BHA Salicylic Acid, these pads help remove dead skin cells, refine pores, and reduce excess sebum. Perfect for those dealing with oily skin, enlarged pores, or uneven texture. Power of nature. Infused with white willow bark, citric acid, and soothing botanical extracts, the formula combines natural exfoliants with calming ingredients for optimal clarity. Essential oils from orange, lemon, grapefruit, rosemary, and lavender add both cleansing and therapeutic benefits. Lavender Calmness. Each pad delivers a gentle, relaxing experience with lavender oil, merging skincare with a calming touch. Transformative results. Clinical testing shows a 47.1% reduction in sebum and an 87.3% decrease in pore waste, helping achieve visibly clearer, smoother skin. How to use? After cleansing, swipe the embossed side across the face for exfoliation, then use the silky side to refine and hydrate. Lightly pat for absorption. For best results, replace the pad refill every 3 months. Safety note: always perform a patch test before regular use to ensure compatibility. Avoid eyes, keep out of reach of children, and discontinue use if irritation occurs. Final verdict: the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0 combines science and nature to deliver effective exfoliation, pore care, and hydration in one simple step. With 70 pads per pack, it's a convenient addition to any Korean skincare routine. Check the product link in the description and pinned comment for current pricing and availability.